Hi, I'm Chris Shaw, Product Manager for Device Connections at Phoenix Contact. Today, we're bringing you a short video on the new XPC series from Phoenix Contact with PushX technology. PushX is a new, innovative connection technology design that allows users to connect stranded, flexible conductors with or without the need for additional ferrules to be attached. Impressive, right? So let's now tell you the new XPC series with PushX technology can seamlessly be retrofitted to existing printed circuit board headers. The new XPC series is ready to robot. With all contacts supplied fully open direct from the factory and with tool-free connection, the new XPC series can be integrated into automated assembly. With Phoenix Contact's online configuration tool, all terminal blocks and connectors can be supplied fully marked to your custom requirements. And that's it, the new XPC series from Phoenix Contact with PushX technology. Hope you've enjoyed the first device connection video on the Efficiency TV channel.